How to change your password on Pionex account. If you would like to change your password on the Pionex account, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. Now what we have to do for this is we have to go ahead and simply launch the Pionex application, and once we launch the Pionex app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now tap on the profile icon, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. Then over here you'll find many options. You want to go to the one that says security and tap on it. Then when you go to security, you'll find all these options. You have to scroll down and there you can see the option called change password, and then tap on change password. Now what you have to do is tap on the continue button. Remember that after you change the password, you won't be able to make any deposit or withdrawals for the next 24 hours. Just for verification, go ahead and verify the CAPTCHA, and once done, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically change your password on Pionex. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.